What's up, YouTubes? Here we are, great location. Just found this cool location in the middle of nowhere, and we're going to try some time-lapse photography. I'm going to try and look in here. We're going to do some time-lapse photography today, so I'm going to put it into active track and go super slow forward. Probably just put it in the forward option, super slow, taking photographs 1 second at a time. May try and do a little bit of yaw action, but yeah, because I can only go 500 meters here in Canada, it's not going to give you much time, so I figured if I go super slow, it might make it look a little okay, might make it look better. So let's just get it going. Let's do some footage, and I will do a screen recording so we can see what's going on. Let's see if we can get this nice sunset going on behind me. There's a barn right behind me, and let's just get it on, see what happens. Okay, let's go. Okay, so let's get the screen recording going. That's good. And into the app. So I'm going to be doing some active track. Why is that? I'm in sport mode. Alright, out of sport mode. Let's go into tap fly. Why am I saying active track? We're going to go into tap fly. And let's do free. Okay, and we're going to choose a spot over there. We're going to go very slow. Let's go the slowest we can. So that's 1. Let's go down a little. Turn it down a little. So we're going to go right over there. Go. And now we're going to put it into photo mode. Settings. Photo, time shot, every 2 seconds, and go. Alright, so we're now in tap to fly, we're going forward, and we're taking a photo every 2 seconds. Oops. It's going super slowly, which is good. That's what I want it to do. Because when I put this into processing, it's going to speed it right up. So, okay, so I will check back with you in a few minutes, and we'll see how far it is. I'm going to keep an eye on how far it's going, and we'll be back at you. Stand by. Okay, so here we go. We are in the middle of the time lapse, and a couple of issues I ran into here. So one. Too dark. I really didn't need my ND16 filter on. I guess now that all the snow has gone, this is showing its true colors, so I think a ND8 filter would have been much better. You see here that I'm shooting at ISO 100, shutter speed is 60th of a second, and I am 1 stop underexposed. So it's a little bit dark, the shadows are a bit dark. So that was the first issue. Ran into that when I was recording video as well. The second issue is I used the yaw. I really shouldn't have used the yaw, so moving the yaw, you can't move the yaw that slowly for the time lapse to make a change. So I ended up changing the end point, the end point to the tap fly, so you saw that I moved it over to the right, and I think that did okay, but yeah, so using the yaw, you might see it in a minute, you might not, we might not even get that far, but definitely I'm going to try this again at this location. Great little location, no houses nearby, great looking old barn, and yeah, another issue I think I might run into is the fact that you can only go 500 meters here in Canada. Really means you can't go too far with a time lapse, so the duration of the time lapse is not going to be very long. Like this one, I did stop this one prematurely because it was a nice night and I wanted to get some video footage of the excuse me, I wanted to get some video footage of the barn, so I did stop a little bit early. But yeah, so let's stop this right here, and we'll jump straight to the 2-second clip that I got, and you'll see what I'm talking about. A little bit jittery, and yeah, that motion right there was too fast. I think that was when I was using the yaw. Yeah, that was definitely when I was using the yaw. So don't use the yaw is what I'm saying when you're doing a time lapse. But yeah, let's jump to the clip and you'll see that, and then we'll put in some footage that I shot afterwards, so just video footage, which came out a lot nicer. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. We will definitely come back to this time lapse and definitely be back in this area to get some more footage. It's a shame the sun went down when it did because it looked great, but still a great location. See you soon, guys. See you soon. I won't see you at all. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hard to keep a straight face when I'm burning like fire, and you're cold as ice. I'm drawn in desire, and you have to think twice. It's hard to keep smiling when I try to set things straight. You don't even listen. I'm just getting late, like you're on a mission. Drawn in desire, and you have to think twice. You make me weak. You're the one I see, and I hate that I love you. I hate that I love you. If I could, and I would, come on to your heart, come on to your heart. I'm in casting. I'm in casting. It's hard to keep smiling when you're closing every door I'm trying to open. I tell you love you more, and you say it's broken. To open, I tell you love you more, and you say it's broken. If I could, then I would burn out your heart, burn your castle, but it wouldn't mend mine.